Please remain seated with seat belt fastened at all times. Keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the raft at all times. For your safety, do not rock the raft. Please secure all loose belongings. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following health conditions: recent surgery or illness, weak heart, expectant mothers, weak back, high blood pressure. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Malaglag yan eh. Dito pa ako napunta.
What the fuck?
Yan ako, yan na. Basta ako si ito may bayad sa'yo, no? Ito ba yung horror boot? Ikin yata yung free, ano? Pwede na siguro pumasok dyan, ano? Yan na.
Yan, Kuya Aljo! Pasok tayo!
Wow! 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 Kailangan daw maligo.
Kailangan mo to!
Ayaw ko na sa bahay, basang-basa na ako.
Secure all loose belongings. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following health.
Oh!
Basta na.
Mali ang pwesto ko eh. Mali ang pwesto ko, Chi.
Isa pa?
Huwag na, ayaw ko na, basa na ako.
Ang gusto ko pa.
Ba, kayo na lang, gusto nyo.
Sama, Kuya Ain.
Doon na tayo sa horror boat, tayo basa na, oh.
For your safety, do not rock the raft. Please secure all loose belongings. This ride is not
Hindi ka na basa, Rice? Basa kami. Ano ang pwesto namin ni Chi, basa-basa.
Sa number ko. Oh my God.